There comes a moment, quiet as the space between heartbeats, when the veil begins to thin. And you feel it, the hum beneath all things. It is not outside you. It never was. The trees, the cities, the stars, the endless conversations of atoms. They are all notes in the same song, and you are part of the choir. Once, you thought you lived inside the world. But look again. The world lives inside you. Every color you see is a translation of light, a vibration interpreted by your being, and every sound you hear is the universe, speaking to itself through your bones. The ancients tried to tell us, in temples, in hymns, in stories of creation, that all was frequency, that all was word. But the mind, eager for control, built towers of explanation, forgetting that truth cannot be held, only heard. Now the remembering begins. Not as an explosion, but as a deep exhale. A turning inward to the resonant center of all things. And there, in that stillness, you begin to realize, the world you touch, the faces you love, the dreams you chase and lose and chase again, they are ripples on the surface of your own consciousness. You are not a spectator of creation. You are a generator. You are the field through which life sings itself away.